corporate events, weddings, parties, live concert, commercial shoots, appearances, endorsements, your one-stop destination for all the celebrity and event management needs from the world of music, films and television, fashion and comedy. Octave Entertainment.
Hi, I'm Shan. I'd like to mention that Mr. Neeraj Mishra, Neeraj ji is a very dear friend of mine for many years now, and I've had a wonderful association with Octave Entertainment. We've done lots of work together in India and abroad, and I know that they are planning even bigger, greater events and productions, so I wish them all the very best and look forward to working with them in the future. All the best, Neeraj ji. All the best for Octave Entertainment.
नीरज जो है और नीरज की पूरी जो टीम है जो इस हिसाब से आर्टिस्ट मैनेजमेंट करती है और दोनों साइड जो ऑर्गेनाइजर होते हैं और जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं उसका जो बैलेंस क्रिएट करते हैं, जो आर्टिस्ट का ख्याल रखते हैं, वो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट होता है शो और एंटरटेनमेंट मैनेजमेंट का, जो कि नीरज और उसकी टीम बहुत अच्छी करती है।
Octave Entertainment is emerging as an international leader in managing the careers and touring activities of India's most prominent performing artists and celebrities. Led by Neeraj Mishra, the company has been on the forefront of managing artists of all genres, singers, music directors, comedians, actors, film and television personalities for a decade. Apart from heading Octave Entertainment, presently, Neeraj Mishra also shoulders the responsibilities as the manager to India's Nightingale, Alka Yagnik. Neeraj has also managed the business for Jatin Lalit, Vishal Shekhar and Irfan Khan in the past.
Neeraj Mishra ji works with me. He's my manager, looks after my concerts worldwide. He is a very, very nice person, a very good organizer, and he is a very good manager. He does his job very well. I'm very satisfied and happy with his services.
All the best to Octave Entertainment.
I've always had a wonderful experience working with Octave Entertainment. Neeraj ji, I'd like to wish you all the very best. May you achieve every success you set out to achieve. Lots of love.
All the best to Neeraj ji. I have worked with Neeraj ji for a couple of times and I really loved working with him, and I wish Octave Entertainment all the very best.
I'd like to wish Octave Entertainment good luck. Thank you.
Octave Entertainment इस इवेंट कंपनी के जरिए मैं नीरज जी के साथ बहुत देश विदेश में घूम चुका हूँ, काफी सारे शोज कर चुका हूँ, और क्यों ना घूमूं उनके साथ। उनका नाम है नीरज, और नीरज को उल्टा पढ़ो तो जर्नी होता है, तो बहुत सारी जर्नी की है और आगे भी करते रहेंगे।
I'd like to wish Neeraj Mishra and Octave Entertainment the very best.
Neeraj Mishra started his career in the era of 90s under the guidance of Lollipop, a renowned choreographer. As an assistant, he was part of various shows like Jumma Chumma in London with Amitabh Bachchan, Phir Bhi Dil Hai Filmistani for Sony Television, World Tour with A.R. Rahman. Later on, Neeraj independently ventured into managing many celebrities and production of many reputed events, including Arjun Rampal and Mahima Chaudhary tour in Australia and New Zealand, Amisha Patel tour in Australia, Shan, Sunidhi Chauhan and Lalit Pandit show in Australia and Fiji, Talat Aziz and Mitali tour in Australia and Fiji, Rahat Fateh Ali Khan show in Australia, Abhijit Bhattacharya's concert in London, Pankaj Udas show in London, Shankar Ehsan Loy show in Dubai and India, and many shows for MBC in Mauritius. With his excellent people skills, he managed to climb the ladders of success and established himself with his own event management company, Octave Entertainment, in the year 2003.
It's important that a person who understands the business of entertainment knows how artists feel, and Neeraj is definitely one of them.
नीरज मिश्रा, आपको ऑक्टेव एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आप बहुत सारी ऊंचाइयां तय करें और इसके लिए हम आपके साथ दुआ करते हैं कि आप बहुत सक्सेसफुल हों और आपके साथ हम भी साथ में ग्रो हों।
मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं नीरज जी का, जिनके साथ मैंने काफ़ी शोज़ किए हैं और करते रहेंगे, और जब भी इनके साथ कोई शो किया है इट वाज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस। आई फील एट होम, मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल रहता हूं, एंड आई विश हिम वेरी ऑल द बेस्ट। कीप इट अप।
हमारे नीरज मिश्रा इतने आगे चले गए कि कि कभी अलका याग्निक जी के साथ, कभी मेरे साथ, कभी हम दोनों के साथ, कभी बड़े बड़े सिंगर्स, एक्टर्स, ये वो। आज नीरज मिश्रा और उनकी कंपनी ऑक्टिव एंटरटेनमेंट छा गए, और जो स्पिरिट इनमें है, जो बातें हैं इनमें, मुझे लगता है ये एक दिन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बहुत बड़े प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर भी होंगे और हंगामा और करेंगे ये।
Big endorsements, innumerable appearances, 50 countries and more than 1,000 events is what Octave Entertainment has fostered in the past 10 years. Alka Yagnik, Shan Selina Jetli, Isha Kopikar, Salim Suleiman, Shankar Ehsan Loy, Mika, Neeraj Sridhar, Dia Mirza, Remy Sen, Arjun Rampal, Mahima Chaudhary, Shreya Ghoshal, Sonu Nigam, Sunidhi Chauhan, Daler Mehndi, Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, Kunal Ganjawala, amongst many more have witnessed the highly professional yet very personal and caring assistance and management of Neeraj Mishra.
All the best to Octave Entertainment. Octave Entertainment, lots of good luck.
I have had the pleasure of working with Neeraj, and I have done a couple of tours of Australia, Fiji, apart from shows in India, and I can assure you that they are very professional, and they take care of the artists, and they take care of almost everything which an artist needs to perform. So I think it's a very nice setup they have, and I wish them all the best in this new venture, and hope they achieve loads and loads of success.
Mr. Neeraj Mishra is a very, very experienced, a very, very hardworking and a very talented gentleman who has spent many years in the entertainment business. I wish Neeraj all the very best in all his future endeavors, especially in this particular endeavor of providing entertainment and providing artists, musicians to the whole of India and outside India.
I think he makes his artists feel very, very comfortable, makes them feel very much at ease. You don't even come to know when the event starts, when the event comes to an end. And he's a man of commitment. You know, once he says something, he delivers, which is very important from an artist's point of view, as we do not know who the clients are. You know, we meet them for the first time, and he's our only connect. So I wish him all the very best. May you guys grow strength by strength. Take care.
In recognition of the diversity of its artists and of previously untapped opportunities to reach new audiences countrywide and worldwide, Neeraj Mishra presents to you Octave Entertainment. Octave Entertainment continues its legacy of bridging the gap between the audience and the entertainers by getting closer to the people, understanding their need, guiding them with the best suited endorsements, managing and coordinating the dates and schedules, and bringing smiles and applause all around.